AI is here and it may come for your job. Hopefully it doesn't, of course, but maybe you're in your current job or career and you're thinking, can AI replace me? Can AI replace what I'm doing currently, or at least aspects of what I'm doing? I used to work at a marketing agency many, many years ago. My job could easily be done by AI now. That's terrifying if I didn't get out. Thankfully, there is a way out for you as well. So obviously you've been doing your thing, you've been doing your hobby or your career or your job for many years and you're really good at it. What you can do is take that knowledge into a course and sell it. That's what I've been teaching people for the last 6 years. That's what's allowed me to amass 5 million in revenue in my own businesses from just teaching people what you already know. It's a beautiful business model and it removes you from the risk factor of being replaced by AI because what you don't have in your current career or job is control. You know, you are employed by someone, obviously, but if you remove that control and you have your own business that you're in full control of, that is it. That's the line in the sand done. You step over that line, now you're in full control, and away you go. And the knowledge industry is absolutely insane. It's booming. It's never been better. And there's going to be people coming into your industry, into your niche every single day that would love to learn from you. And you just get to help them navigate the path that you've already taken. And you help them remove the headaches and the pain and the time it's taken you to get there. They get there infinitely faster and they pay you for the privilege. That really is it. So if that's of interest, which it should. Hello, I'm just down here in it's my house in South Devon. That's the sea right there. I love it here. It's amazing. A lovely day. We've been having a very good summer here for a change. But I've just finished this. So I spent pretty much the last 2 years doing this on and off. And it's a short movie on how to make online courses and make, on average, 10K a month, 100 grand a year, on average, of course. So there's 4 points that I cover in this short movie. Point one, what to sell. So maybe you thought about making an online course, but you don't know what to do, you don't know where to start. Whilst AI is, a threat, we can always use it as an ally if we're smart. So actually dive into using AI to help you get your course structure dialed in and figured out. This is like, it takes a few minutes. I show you exactly how to do it in this short movie. So that's step one, figuring out what your course is going to be about and the structure of it. Step two, where to sell it. So the mistake that a lot of people make when they try and sell online courses is they think, oh, ads, let's just throw some ads at it, throw some money at it, and we'll make sales. But that's typically not what actually happens. The reality is you spend a lot of money on ads, but if you've never sold online before, you don't have a proven offer, nothing's already selling already, expecting ads to work out the gate is quite naive, to be honest. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to just spend a lot up front. Obviously this is an ad, of course, because I've been doing this for many years. I know what I'm doing, just about. But if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know where you're going in terms of audiences and split testing, all that kind of stuff, I cover how to navigate that, how to sidestep that concern with organic, how you can get sales without having to pay any ads. That's it. So that's step two. Step three, how much to charge. That's a big one. Most people typically undercharge when they're first starting online. I get it's a mindset thing. But if you don't know how to charge what you're worth, you'll be stuck at a certain level forever. So I kind of give you some pricing models and examples of how and why you should charge a premium, to be honest, because you deserve it. You've spent many, many years on this thing in there. So it's only right that you get paid accordingly. Step four, how to pre-sell. So you could spend months making a course and it could just land on crickets. You could spend months and months and months, launch it to your audience and think, this is it. This is where the money comes in, and nobody buys. So what you can do to mitigate that is pre-sell. You can get an audience first, get audience validation first. They just tell you up front, yeah, this is what I want. I'm interested. And you're like, cool, okay. Well, this is what's going to be in my course. You can jump in now, and then whilst I'm creating it, I can roll it out to you and you get access to it as and when I'm making it. That way you make sales up front. They get to be part of this brand new course that you're making. It's all a big, exciting thing. And then once it's all proven and selling already, then you launch it officially. That is it. So that's what I'm going to cover in this short movie. Again, it's going to be worth your time, to be honest. If your plan is to think ahead and future-proof yourself, nothing is more straightforward than an online education business. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this short movie. So sign up and I'll see you on the other side.